Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Monday, the 1st of May. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let us kick off and have a look at what happened in the final session of last week. In the UK, we had the gross domestic product increase by 0.3% for the first quarter of 2017. That makes it the slowest rate of growth since quarter one 2016. This was mainly due to the services industry. It didn't, however, impact on the GBP USD too much, as we saw another strong day with the flag pattern that we had spotted back when Prime Minister May announced the early election starting to come into play. And if we have a look at that right now, I'll just show you. The big long candle was the announcement of the election, and then the market started to narrow in, classic flag pattern, and it's now starting to play out. Okay, so there you go for those of you who spotted that one. In Canada, we had Canada's economy unexpectedly stalled as manufacturing and production in goods producing sector shrank during the month, offsetting the housing sector, which had expanded. US CAD is still climbing, now breaking the 136 level as the Canadian dollar weakness continues, and that GDP number came in at 0% for that one. Okay, so we have broken that 136 level. We just need to see what else starts to set up now to find new trading opportunities on the US CAD. In the US, we saw GDP come in at 0.7%. As the headlines read, US economy expands at slowest pace in 3 years. US dollar still had a good day against the commodity currencies, not so well though against the euro and the pound. That pretty much wraps up the final session of last week. It's time now to move on to our chart of the day. And the chart that we have today it's a gold daily chart. So it's a very straightforward continuation of trend. I'm clearly showing you there the direction of the trend. The market has peaked up, it's pulled back, and it's provided us with 3 inside candles, well, 2 inside candles, so that there's the original 2, and the third one inside. This morning where the market opened, we basically broke the candle, so we can basically enter right now. It's up to you where you would like to enter, but the type of trade, it's continuation into the trend, and that's a gold chart on a daily time frame. Okay, so that's our chart of the day for today. It's let's have a look at what's about to unfold in the session that is about to start. Not too much on a Monday. We have this evening at 9:45, the Treasury Secretary will be speaking. We also have at midnight the ISM manufacturing, the PMI numbers for the US. That's pretty much all we have in the session that's about to unfold. Of course, the first week of the month is usually a much more heavier session. We'll speak about that in more detail in our full analysis class this afternoon. But that's all that we have for this first session. And that, of course, is in my local time, which is Australian Eastern Standard Time. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you have a fantastic trading day. I will talk to you later this afternoon in the full analysis class, or I'll speak to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.